For me, the only option was freedom. No matter what I did, no matter what I was working towards, I had to be working towards freedom. In the freest country in the world, we lead the least free lives. We go to school for 16 years to get 2 weeks of freedom every single year. Most people in the world do not believe it is even possible to have control over your own time. I wanted to let people know that that's not true and that you do have control over your time, but you have to start with that in mind first. There's a term that goes around, corporate slavery. And it's real because what corporations do is they hold us down with shackles on our time. After I show people that it's possible to actually have control over your own time and live life on your own terms, then we go on and show them tactics to doing that. Every day, people are posting things online on Facebook, Google, YouTube, Instagram. I just show people how to make money doing that. Many people don't believe it's possible, but what you have to realize is that we're in the digital age now. It's all about reaching people over the internet, and it's surprisingly simple if you just know what to do. All of the major companies nowadays, whether it's Uber, whether it's Airbnb, whether it's Hotels.com, Expedia.com, none of them have any inventory, nor do they have a physical location. That's where the world's going. As long as you have an internet connection, you can create this sort of life for yourself. You can open up endless amounts of opportunity and creativity and freedom, and I'm going to take you there.